Hi guys, my name's Eric. I'm with Skid Pro. I'm here to talk to you today about our Generation 6 skid steer snowblower. Now when you get your snowblower, we're going to have the part number listed up here, as well as the serial number and the size of the fitting specified for your machine. At Skid Pro, we take time and pride with your attachment. Therefore, we bag and crate each unit. So when your snowblower shows up, your chute's going to be laying downward. The next step is to install it. The installation process for the chute is much easier if there are two people present. Next, what we're going to do is rotate the chute upward onto the step above the snowblower valve block. Next, we'll remove the foam and the two pins holding on the plate. Now with the chute in the vertical position, we're going to put it over the mouth of the impeller. You'll notice that the chute locks into place with the key shaft under the stainless steel cover. The next step is to grab the chute locking plate and insert it over the chute. Take your cotter pins and lock them into place. That is how you assemble the chute on the Generation 6 Skid Pro snowblower. For more information, check out skidpro.com or call a product guru today at 877-378-4642.